Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So in today's video we are going to talk about the reason that POST postpones their listing to be like to further notice, or to be like on a day that we are going to like reveal it to you together. So maybe it is a day, but we are not confirming, but it is a hint that we may know, like to share with you guys. So POST right now, like I have right now I have a reason to be bullish like on force, because like this postponement, like it was like provide too many opportunities like on force community, like on pause token. So before we go direct into our video, so if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And then again, make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end so that you may not miss any update regarding this um, postponement video. So let's go into our X account so that we may see what is happening regarding this update. So let's go together. So as you can see, here is the official X account.